Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to change your password on Threads app for Android. Changing password once in a while is very good for security purposes, so we're going to look through how to do it. First of all, you need to log into your Threads using your Instagram credentials. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'll tap on the login. I'll go and put my username and then password. I'll click on login. So I'll click on not now. I don't want to save the login info, so I'll click on not now. So this is the home page of the Thread app. So navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. This will open up your profile page. Next, locate and tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the account option and tap on it. This will take you to the account settings where you can manage your profile and security settings. Now click on security. You need to remember your Threads app is linked with your Instagram account. So when changing your password of Threads app, you'll be changing the password of your Instagram too. So I'll click on the change password. It shows my profile of Instagram, so I'll click on that. So I'll go ahead and put my current password. Now I will put a new password. You need to choose a strong and secured password that you will remember easily. So I'll go on and put another new password. Now I'll click on change password. So finally, you have changed the password of your Threads app. Now you'll be able to log in with your new password next time you access the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.